fades. Does it end here or do we keep going?
Second verse, same as the first.
Ready?
Ready?
Okay. Watch you guys eat a little bit. Ready? That how it's gonna be, Taras?
Yep.
Oh, come on. Sorry, Taras.
Okay, get it back.
Only on a tornado. Go longer. Ready?
Yep.
Not yet. One more. Ready?
Set.
You should have. You're too
Oh, God. It's going your way, it's going your way.
What?
He sent you a picture of him eating. And he said he's a fish. I would ask him to take a picture of his muscles.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That was a nice shot. That's bullshit.
It was right off the post.
Oh, fuck that.
Post it in, that's a good.
It's a missed shot and then you spun it in off the post. Fucking dumb.
It's alright. You want to put it on?
You
No.
can put the wrap on if you want.
Pretty good, let's go, Carey. It's okay, it's okay. You ready?
Ready?
Oh my god.
That was
Okay,
us.
Donnie, show me your hand there right across like that.
No, we didn't get the slop from that one, but okay, it's okay. Ready?
Yep.
Cross blocked it.
What?
Yeah, you should see it.
Come on.
Crazy.